Morning to you, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Today's an easy day to remember. It's July 3rd, 2020, the day before Independence Day here in the United States of America. And if you are listening to us on 93.5 FM, I want to first of all say thank you for tuning in. We're a half hour later today just to kind of ease things into the holiday weekend. But if you are listening to us on the radio right now, congratulations, because you are currently in the best country in the world, the United States of America. And we give thanks to that today. You know, a lot of problems this year, you know, since March, and we've been trying to work through them all. And I just feel optimistic that we're on a path to even a better nation. So good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Adam Handler. I am your case handler. We are Pollack, Isaac DeSico, a law firm here in New York City. We handle immigration, personal injury, real estate, matrimonial, criminal defense. What am I missing here? Employment law, labor law. If you've got a legal problem, we've got your solution. We're giving the advice over the phone 100% for free. If you're watching us now on Facebook, thank you so much for liking our page, following our page, and you now all are officially cruising with the Case Handler, the Friday edition, the holiday edition. With me today, Nelson the Maverick Madrid, partner of the immigration department here at Pollack, Isaac DeSico. What's up? Conrad Pollack, the managing partner of the firm, the son of the founding member of this law firm and an immigration attorney for the past 36 years. Two very good lawyers, two very good guys, and two very good friends. And believe it or not, I believe this show has even brought us all together a little more because we all work in our own respective departments. And I handle the personal injury. They don't mess with that. They handle the immigration. I don't mess with that. But since we've been doing the show, I think we're getting a better sense, even in our own firm, as to the true power of our firm and the true effectiveness of what we're able to deliver for our clients. And of course, where would we be without my co-host, my co-pilot, David Squeeze Aniki, a gentleman that's been broadcasting on this radio station since 1996, providing quality information, providing quality entertainment, providing quality services, providing quality products. And of course, he would never put a product or a service or somebody out there that he didn't truly believe in. So the fact that we're here broadcasting to you, the fact that you're hearing us is validation enough that we do things very, very differently. And we're here for you. Our phone number is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529, or easy to remember, 844 PPID law, 844 PPID law. PPID is our law firm, Pollack, Isaac DeSico. Hey, Squeeze, you down with PPID?
You know me.
All right. Good morning, brother.
Hey, good morning. Thank you so much. Adam did a wonderful job, as usual, introducing the program right here on 93.5 WVIP FM and Facebook. I am hereby asking each and every one, if you have not joined Facebook as please do so and share the page. If you're watching us right now, share the page, ladies and gentlemen. We would love to have you share that page and, have other people actually hear what it is that these attorneys can do. Adam Handler did not mention it, but he has settled well over $120 million for Caribbean clients and then some. Facts. Okay. So if you get hurt in an accident, you do not need any other attorney that you're hearing on this station. Yeah, I'm that bad. I'm that aggressive. And I'm saying it. Now, why am I saying such a thing? He has proven himself. He has proven himself. He has been on the station 15 years. He has settled $120 million for Caribbean clients. You tell everybody that listens to this station, if they get hurt in an accident, including yourself, you call one man, the case handler. And I'm not saying that because I'm a friend of his. No, I'm saying that because he's just the best. He can't say it, but I am saying it, ladies and gentlemen. So call him right now, store the number, let him feel good right here on the holiday. Let it ring 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Dial this number, 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. So all the people out there in the dollar vans, all the people out there in the Ubers, all the people out there in the yellow cabs, all the people out there in Lyft. It still exists?
Yeah, Lyft. I think Lyft is still around.
I know. All right, I'm just messing with them. All the people out there in the transportation industry, all the people who take the trains, the people who are, out there driving for a living. Okay, everyone that's out there. Anytime you get hurt, you call one man because you've got one chance, one choice, and he is your case handler. Call him at 844-774-3529. Sorry about the ding-dongs. 844-774-3529. Ladies and gentlemen, reach out to the firm, PPID, Pollack, Isaac, and DeSico, and get the case handler, 844-774-3529, when you get hurt in an accident. With that said, we're flipping from personal injury over to immigration. And ladies and gentlemen, yes, it's a holiday. Yes, there's a lot to celebrate, and hopefully you're doing so safely. I really, really hope that you're doing so safely, ladies and gentlemen. And with that said, I wanted to actually, as usual, go to the managing partner, Mr. Conrad Pollack, and see if he has anything that he would like to say on this day. And then, of course, to my colleague, the Maverick, okay, see what it is that they have to say. The show is a little bit short-lived today, but ladies and gentlemen, the show is underway. Mr. Pollack, Mr. Maestro, thank you so much for the keyboards there. I deliberately did that. You went live before knowing it.
Adam was asking me to play the national anthem, and unfortunately, I never learned that one. But it was a little rusty there. I didn't know I was on the air. I haven't played that little tune in a long time.
My way of playing tricks on you guys. But
anyway, happy 4th of July to everybody, and this is, as I mentioned on the show last night, this is a special 4th of July for me personally, because my mom was born on the 4th of July, and she's no longer with us. She would have been 100 years old tomorrow.
Oh,
wow. So this particular 4th of July has special resonance for me. So kind of brightens my spirits a little bit in an otherwise lousy 2020. So all good stuff today. All right, all good stuff today. No politics today. It's good. A lot of people,
Thank you, Nelson.
Every 4th of July, whichever presidential administration is in power at the time, they always have these mass swearing-in ceremonies, and they're always in person, and they take place in huge halls or huge squares with hundreds and hundreds of people swearing in as new U.S. citizens. I don't know that that's happening this year. And if it is, maybe it's being done remotely. Nelson, do you have any idea?
No, I don't know. I haven't heard anything.
Because every year, that's always a big thing, and there are always pictures all over the newspapers about these massive swearing-in ceremonies. And I haven't really heard a lot about it this year, which, for various reasons. Again, we're not going to talk politics. But all good. It's supposed to be a beautiful weekend, and hopefully, especially around the country, hopefully people are still taking precautions, wearing masks, even though some people don't bother with that or tell them not to. And just be careful out there. I'm even telling my son, who's in his 20s and hasn't seen much of his friends in the last couple of months, and they're talking about a 4th of July party, and my mom, my wife, and I are trying to talk him out of it. Because it's still dangerous out there. You still don't know what's going on. So really needs to still take precautions on things. But still, it is the 4th of July. Weather's supposed to be great, and I'm looking forward to the weekend.
And Nelson, your comments?
Pretty similar. I mean, I'm happy we actually have a long weekend. 4th of July is always a good time to spend with family, and you can't really, as Conrad said, you have to be careful about spending time with friends. But I'm also excited because our official reopening is Monday.
That's right.
So,
yeah.
Good vibes.
We've been doing, looking back, it's interesting. We're reopening our offices on Monday. And what was the day we shut down the offices, Conrad?
March 18th, I think it was.
Yeah, 18th. And it's crazy because when you look back, it kind of flew by. We've been through a lot. It was extremely stressful. There was a lot of sacrifice made with many aspects, not only just our legal practice, but our personal lives as well. And now it's all about, what did you do over the time of the pandemic? Did you just sit around, feeling sorry for yourself, or did you take action? I certainly know that we as a law firm took action. This show that you're listening to right now, ladies and gentlemen, on the radio or watching on Facebook right now, was essentially a product of the pandemic.
That's right.
Prior to the pandemic, it was David and I, talking about personal injury, talking about our firm, but not really getting into the nitty gritty with respect to immigration issues. Mm-hmm. And then all of a sudden, we had some more time. We decided to increase our efforts in reaching out to the community and embracing the community that's embraced us. And hence a new show was born, and it's been a phenomenon, to say the least. We've had thousands and literally, I would guess all the shows have had over 100,000 views together, right? I mean, some of these shows have 3, 4, 5,000 views, and we've done, dozens of them. So hundreds of thousands of views of this show, and hundreds of phone calls. Again, ladies and gentlemen, listening and watching, we've been dealing with our clients over the phone, over Zoom, over email, but we've been giving 100% free consultations over the phone. Hundreds and hundreds of people have had their immigration questions answered for absolutely free these past 4 months. Questions that may seem silly to some people or complex to others, they've been getting their questions answered. Nelson, I mean, looking back, think about how many new people you've introduced to our firm and given quality legal advice to, and have been hiring us to help them with their cases. I mean, we've already won cases for people that hired us during the pandemic, and we've already won their case.
That's correct. That's what I was going to say. It's not just giving advice to people. Some people have actually hired us, and we've gotten a successful outcome in their case. So, I feel blessed. I feel fortunate. I believe in karma. I think when you put out good, you get good back. So, it's been a good time.
And also, we're definitely here for the duration. We're not just going to go off the air now that we're reopening in the city. I mean, we're in this for the duration. This reminds me, our situation reminds me. I mean, not everybody's going to remember, but Nightline, the show on CBS on ABC with Ted Koppel. That show, Ted Koppel was I think a great journalist. And he's still around, but he's retired. But great, really smart guy. And during the Iranian hostage crisis back in the late 70s, before your time, Adam, but Jimmy Carter was president, and the Iranians took over the American embassy. That's when the Iranian Revolution took place. And basically, Nightline, which is still a show on television, started as a result of that Iranian hostage crisis. That's when Ted Koppel said, I'm going to do this. And they did every night during the crisis for whatever number of days that it lasted. And that show is still on, right? 43 years later. That's how I view us. We'll be doing this show 40 years from now, although maybe it won't be me. Alan Kay, I'm sure, will still be here. I don't know.
That's right. He's not going anywhere.
Alan Kay will be here.
And for you, those of you that don't know who Alan Kay is an attorney of our firm. He's been practicing immigration law probably for 40 plus years. One of the most well-respected and well-connected immigration attorneys within hundreds and hundreds of miles of New York City. As Squeeze says, the man with the links.
We call him the general.
We call him the general, and he is just that. He is an unbelievable resource for everybody out there with those difficult cases. I mean, the Maverick Nelson, he works on those tough cases every day, but man, the general, he's got the connections. You know, Nelson, you probably turn to him every once in a while, huh?
You know, absolutely. And I mentioned this on a previous, I mentioned this on a previous show. We had a family, we recently represented a family whose son had a disability. He made phone calls, he sent emails. I literally walked in and walked right out. You know, they accommodated the family. In fact, it wasn't only a naturalization interview. They took their oath ceremony shortly thereafter. I've never seen that before. And all of this happened on the same day because Alan reached out and basically asked to please have this family accommodated. So, you know, big ups to Alan K.
Ladies and gentlemen, listen, the message is very clear. We are Pollack, Isaac DeSico. We are a law firm. We are practicing attorneys. That means we actually are the guys and the gals and the women and the men working on your case, meeting with you, working on the documents, going to court, settling the case, you know, discussing the case with immigration officials. We are practicing attorneys. We're here for you. We want to help. We're happy to do so. But again, you must have our number saved. Unless you have our number and give us a call, there's absolutely no way for us to know that you're out there and you need our help. And our phone number is 844-774-3529, 844-774-3529, or 844 PPID law. Squeeze, you know, looking back on this, and again, we're about to reopen, so we're kind of looking back as to the body of work we did during this pandemic shutdown. What is your opinion? How do you feel as the creator of this show?
Well, for me, it's more about people who have actually listened to the show, not just for information, not just for free consultation, not just more for understanding and clearing up ignorance, but more so the ones who actually use the services of the attorneys. Now, yes, we do know that in these times, people don't necessarily have the monies for a lot of things, but you are living in the United States of America under a president which has distorted so many things for immigrants and people of different race, creed, color, and religion. Do you want to take a chance and actually file for something that is number one where your priority is concerned in the United States by yourself? No. So the same way we make sacrifices every single day to eat, to put a roof over our head, to actually go along with our daily lives, I do believe that we need to give a lot of attention to our status in the United States by using an attorney at the firm PPID. I am very happy that I got with you, Adam, earlier this year, and we actually revisited having the immigration attorneys on, revisited having one firm that can actually handle all the legal issues that people potentially have. From the Conrad Pollacks and the Nelson Mavericks, Nelson Madrid, the Maverick, we were in a meeting, and of course that meeting went back and forth. And I remember seeing the doubt on their face, and I remember being my cocky, confident, asinine self and saying, hey, it will work. Absolutely 100%. There is a huge void within the Caribbean community where immigration help is concerned. And here we are in the pandemic era. And these gentlemen, the immigration attorneys, have proven themselves. You, Adam, have already proven yourself, like I stated earlier in the show. But here we are with the best immigration attorneys yet on this radio station. And I am proud to have actually initiated this ages ago and now continuing it with you, with the best. We have grown tremendously. There is no law firm out there with a man such as Alan K. As my Jamaican counterparts know, when in Jamaica we say you have to have links to get anything done. We've got an attorney with the links, and that's what we're talking about. So my people, when you reach out to the firm PPID, don't just get a free consultation. Have them handle your case, because there have been changes that could potentially put you and your family in removal proceedings, in deportation. So that's what I take away from it, Adam. And that's the reason why I say to everyone, call 844-774-3529. Let me repeat. Hold on with the dings. 844-774-3529. Let me close this. That's 844-774-3529. So as we celebrate the holiday this weekend, ladies and gentlemen, do remember, yeah, it's free, but normally things that you do and get for free in life is not normally the best. So make sure you reach out to the attorneys. Yes, call them and get that free consultation, but hire them. 844-774-3529. They are extremely modest. As you hear Adam always says, I hope you never ever need me. All right. But I'm saying, and I'm telling you this, hire them. Let them do their job. They went to law school for this. They, ladies and gentlemen, have had I don't believe there is one immigration experience that they have never encountered. So reach out to them and hire them after you get the free consultation. It's 844-774-3529. And that's what I've got to say, Adam.
Thank you, brother. Listen, it's been a great week. It's been a great ride. Monday, I anticipate I'll be doing the show live from my office again, as I've done for years and years and years. We would just look forward to doing the great work. Again, ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching or listening to us right now, then that means that you believe in us and you believe in our message. And if you give us the chance, I think we're going to show you, the way we conduct ourselves as a law firm. We are professionals. We are practicing attorneys. We do it the right way, and we treat you the right way. Having a lawyer is not always the best, the best situation. I understand people, steer away from certain professions, and people and lawyers, are the butt ends of a lot of jokes. But we pride ourselves on doing it much differently than other law firms and other attorneys out there. We do it the right way, and we're here to make a difference. We're all committed to changing your life. We're all committed to changing your family's life for generations to come. Whether it's personal injury, my job is to get you the most money possible for your pain and suffering, your time out of work, and your medical bills. With respect to immigration, we're here to legalize your status here in the United States of America, or help you come to the United States of America, or help you if you're ever faced with deportation proceedings here in the United States of America. And these are things that not only affect you, but will affect your children, your children's children, and their children. Literally, work that can affect generations and generations of individuals. Everyone on this panel is the descendant of an immigrant to this amazing country, whether it was 100 years ago or whether it was 40 years ago. We are all immigrants. We must remember that. And everybody is treated equal in the eyes of our law firm. Everybody should be treated equal in the eyes of everybody. But when you come to our firm, you're going to sense the difference and realize the special way that we take care of our clients. We don't treat you like a file. We treat you like family. And if that's important to you, and that's important to the ones that you care about, you're going to do something about your legal status here in the United States of America. You're going to make a change. You're going to make a difference, and you're going to start voting and making a change in this country. And the way to get started down that road is to have our number saved. Again, give us a ring. The phone call is absolutely free. We are here to help. 844-774-3529, 844-774-3529, or 844-PPID law.
That's it. And quick one before we conclude, gentlemen. Someone asked if they can file for citizenship as yet. Berg wants to know that on Facebook.
Absolutely.
Of course, why not?
Yeah.
Absolutely, do it. And the fees are going up. Fees are going to be doubling soon. You should be calling us on Monday morning, ready to file.
If somebody started their citizenship application, let's say Monday, when can they reasonably, and there's no problems, there's just smooth sailing. When can they can they vote this year?
Probably not. I mean, normally in normal times, you could be a citizen within 6 months if it's done properly without any issues. But now July, immigration, with all the issues going on, they're furloughing all their people. I mean, it's highly unlikely. You never know. But I mean, I would file regardless, if for no other reason. Yeah, the fees are about to double. You know, right now it costs including fingerprints. It's the fee for citizenship is $725. It's going to be like $1,400.
Wow. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, that's what we're talking about. We're about to wrap up the show, but I want to say thanks to each and every one who decided to join us today on a holiday. All right, we do appreciate you. On behalf of the law firm PPID, Pollack, Isaac, and DeSico, on behalf of the case handler himself, Adam Handler, my co-pilot, okay, I would like to say happy holidays, happy 4th, happy Independence Day. And ladies and gentlemen, remember to reach out to them, 844-774-3529. Prior results do not guarantee similar outcome, but they have proven themselves. And I'm very elated and extremely happy as to what they have done for my people and every people. Reach out to them, 844-774-3529. Call them now, call them today. Set up that consultation, and their offices will be open next week. So let's start getting those appointments going together. Let's start getting those appointments together right now. 844-774-3529. Conrad, Nelson, Adam, thank you so much for being here. We got to remind them if they ever get hurt over the holiday, they got to call you, Adam, at 844-774-3529 after calling 911 and getting that emergency help. Thank you all so much. Yes, Adam, you had to end the show on that note with those glasses. But we talk soon, man. All right.
And one final thing, you know, much respect to everybody that's been liking the page, following the page, sharing the page. Rock, you're out there. Dave Honebone, you're out there. Jeffrey, you're out there. Thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate it, and we will continue to do the good work. And Squeeze, we will not let you down, brother.
Thank you so much. That's all I.
Hey, wait, I want to say hello. I want to do a shout out also to my one fan out there, Stevie Weinstein. Thanks for watching, boy.
All right, take care, guys. Here we go.